we will calculate this substructure. Okay, we will calculate load of substructure on this pier, on the pier. So there is pads. After the beams, beam in diaphragm, we will calculate the pads load. So pad, there are 5 pads and each pads have 0.2 kip, and there is 2 support. On the both support there will be pads. Its weight, if I multiply these 3, its weight will be 2 kip. And pedestal, there is a pedestal. This is a pedestal dimension 3, which is given in the question, and there is 10 beams. 10 beams, like 5 beams from this side, 5 beams from this side, and 5 beams from this side. This is 10 beams total, and this is pedestal. Okay, if I show this in this diagram, and this is pedestal. Okay, and at each side, from this side also and from this side also, there is also 5 beams and there is also 5 beams, and it's 5 pedestal here and 5 pedestal will be here. So the total number of pedestal is 10. Okay, and each pedestal dimension is this, and concrete unit weight is 0.15. So if I multiply these 3 guys, so it will become 10.2 kip. And the next is pile cap, and pile cap dimension is given here. This is a pile cap. This is pile cap, and its dimension is, its height is 5 feet, and its interior length, like this is continued like this. Okay, its width is 6 feet. This width is 6 feet. This 6 feet. This is 6 feet, and its width, this width is 40 feet. You can see here 40 feet. Okay, so pile cap is 6 feet by 5 feet by 40 feet, and its unit weight, concrete unit weight, and its weight on the pier is 180 kip. Okay, and the column is, if you see here column, this is column, and its width is 10 feet. At 5 feet is the, like this continued, and 13 feet is its height. So 10 by 5 by 13 is multiplied by its unit weight. Its complete weight is 97.5 kip. So the total weight which provided by substructure will be 289 feet on the pier. 289 feet load will be applied on the base of the pier and from the substructure, and the total load from the superstructure will be applied on the pier will be 910 kips. Okay, we will add these 2 load to compute the dead load of component. This 1200 kip load of dead load of the component of the bridge. Okay, so its reaction is negative 1200 kips. Okay, this whole load, the load of the bridge, the load of the deck, the load of the barrier, pedestal, pile cap and piers, all the loads on the pile will be, on the base of the pile will be 200 only from the dead load of component. After that we will compute dead load of earring.